There he is.
Come on the grass.
It's okay.
Your attention please. Thomas and his coaches are now arriving on track 2. Please stand clear of the tracks on the bricks behind the cement walkway. If you have a ticket for the 2:45 Thomas train, this is your last call. Please report to the Thomas boarding area. All ticket holders must board the Thomas train through the boarding area, which can be found by following the broken yellow line from any entrance to our hall. Thomas will depart promptly at 2:45 p.m.
Thomas. Yay, Thomas. Yay. Yay, Thomas. Yay, Thomas.
Yay, Thomas.
Where's Thomas? Where's Thomas?
He's all the way down at the other end of the track now. Wave hi to the people. You wave hi to those people? Wave hi. Yeah, there you go. And there's the caboose. There's the caboose.